Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Fly. Checking out the Frequent Fly. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Smash the like button, show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here at the field with these two brushless EDFs. I think they're definitely made by the same company, because now I've seen this little one right here from DRC appear on the AliExpress website now. And it's an FX model, so you can get this one now on AliExpress. And this one is a little larger and all. This one has more control surfaces. I just brought these things out here so I can see if I can fly them in manual mode, because I have not flown these two in manual mode. Haven't tried them. I know it's a whole different ball game flying these EDFs in manual mode. Just want to have the experience to try. You would think that was a motorcycle or something. It's a car. But we're losing light out here, and it's coming off of some rainy weather and everything, so it's real gray and dark out here. So losing sun. Let's get this thing up in the air. Let's get these things up in the air. I only bought this one transmitter because this flies both of them. I guess I'm gonna try this one first. Manual mode. Let's get it. Okay, so we're gonna take off in B first. There's barely any way to hold this thing from. Okay, let's go. Hold on, let me take it up here. We're in C. Sheesh. I'm in manual mode, y'all. At least we didn't do a nose down, y'all. Sheesh, it's all marshlandish out here and everything. And this mud is crazy over here, y'all. Sheesh. Yeah, once I lost all my speed, there wasn't no recovering from it for me. Let's see. I know better than to try to take off with it in that mode. Oh man, we got some dust going through there. I can hear it hitting the fan blades. Try to take off again. Oh man, that don't sound good. Oh, it's not turning for me. I had to go down, y'all. It wasn't giving me any rudder. Alright, y'all, so this is actually a whole new day, and it was pretty windy, so I decided to come back out here again on a different day where it's not so windy and not so wet. So we're completely dry out here now, but we're losing the sun. The sun is low over there, so let's hurry up and get this guy back up in the air. I also bought a different transmitter, y'all. It'll be easier to fly with this transmitter here in manual mode and switch it back to the 6G mode a little easier with that little switch there instead of the other button and the switch on the bottom of the transmitter for these two guys. And also I bought this little Dauntless bomber out here because I found out from a tip from a subscriber that it's actually on the same protocol. So this thing is on the 9630 protocol. I think that's what it is. I have tested it and it did fly. Not sure what all these switches will do, because this one does have some different features than these little EDF jets. So I'm going to test it out. I don't know if I'm going to include that in this video though. Theo's Tree Crasher. Yeah, that's who it was. Shout out to you, bro, for finding out what protocol this thing is on. Very happy that I can fly this with a multi-protocol transmitter. Let's get these guys up in the air. We're losing light. Let's try to get this one back up in the air. I saw somebody over there flying a drone. I think they're still over there, just beyond that building over there, that little structure. So I'm going to try to stay from over there, which might be a little hard with these little EDF birds. Let's see, we're in 6G mode. 3D mode is all the way down, which is manual mode. And this switch over here controls the high rates, high and low rates. So let's see. Oh! And I crashed it. I'm not sure why. Let me make sure everything is right. Let me see. Okay. Everything seems to be right. Maybe I just flew it crazy. Okay, there we go. Slowing it down for the turns and all. Okay. Sheesh, I can't even see over there. Okay, let's try to put this thing in 3D mode. We're in 3D mode now. And it's kind of hard to control, guys, in manual mode. I banged out. I should have flicked it back to save it, but I got to get used to this transmitter and all. Hit the ground pretty hard. Hopefully it isn't damaged. Looks like we hit it right on the nose, y'all. A little dirt. Oh yeah, we damaged it a little over here. Check it out. I think I can still get it back in the air like this though. Let's see. Sheesh, kind of windy. Oh, let me come out of manual mode. I was still in manual mode. Okay, back in manual mode. Oh, out of manual mode. I'm not the best manual pilot, guys. Doing my best with this thing. Let's see, manual mode now. Oh, and we went down hard. I think I better stop trying to fly these planes in manual mode before I kill them. I might have killed it just now. I think I hit some concrete over there. There's a concrete patch over there. Hopefully I didn't. So I probably busted it. Busted the nose. This thing has been very resilient though. It's been holding up from all my crashing, my bad flying in manual mode. Uh-oh. It's saying the battery's dying on this transmitter. Or maybe the bird. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Sheesh. I think I'm going to give up trying to fly these EDF birds in manual mode. They're the absolute worst to learn manual mode on, in my opinion, because they're hard to recover. They're slightly underpowered with the EDF and all, and its nose speaks for itself, guys. I don't want that to happen to this thing right here. So I think I'm just gonna stop trying to fly in it manual mode. Stop my abuse. This is senseless. But awesome little EDF. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to fix this thing though. Not too bad. This one, let's get this one up in the air, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm firing this one up. Kinda afraid to put this one in manual mode while I'm in the air with it, but I might give it a go for a little bit. Get it in the air. Someone was saying in one of the videos in the comments that these planes get nose heavy in the cold air because the cold air is more dense. I've never heard of that. It's not really that cold out now, and I'm still having the same flight characteristics from this thing. This plane is not tail heavy. It doesn't need any nose weight. Well, I think my batteries in my transmitter is dying. Yeah, I need to pop some new batteries in this transmitter. I think I'm going to pop it in manual mode just for a second. Just so I can try to do a roll. And I should have went up a little higher to do it. Don't look like the crash was too bad though. Nope. Transmitter's dying. Let's try to get it back in the air before it dies all the way. Oh, maybe it's the battery on the bird though, because it is a little cold. Has been cold for the last couple days, so this battery is probably being affected by the cold. I'm not sure if this thing has an LVC or if it's the batteries inside this transmitter, but I think I'm going to end it on that because it don't seem like this guy has enough power to stay in the air. I'm gonna try it one more time. Well, it's staying in the air. No, not really. Yeah, I think the battery is dying, y'all. Got the transmitter beeping all crazy. Alright, I'm gonna put this Dauntless bomber in the air in this video just to see if the battery is dying on those birds or if it's the batteries in the transmitter. So let's try to get this Dauntless plugged in. It might very well be the cold because my hands are cold. See. Turn this transmitter on. Now I don't even know what. Let's get out of 3D mode. I don't even know if the modes are the same channels and everything on this little thing. First time attempting to fly it with a different transmitter. Oh yeah, it's the battery in the transmitter. Yeah, because it's beeping right away. This little plane flies awesome, y'all. Love how quiet it is. That's about half throttle. You can turn pretty tight. You can give it a little rudder. The rudder turns are good too. It can kind of do a sliding rudder turn. You give it a lot of rudder, but if you give it too much, I think that stalls it. Check it out.